In today's video, I'm gonna give you 10 words to create a powerful, immersive experience when you're hypnotizing people. Now, be careful with these words because they're extremely, extremely powerful, okay? First one is the word feel. You see, when we're doing hypnosis, we want to activate all of the 5 senses the best we can. Now, I would say that smell and taste are not as prevalent or not as normal to use. However, what people see, what they hear, and how they feel are going to be really, really important. So you can say the words feel powerful, feel motivated, feel confident. Because again, we want them to access the kinesthetics, the emotion of what they're actually feeling, okay? Number 2 is sense. Now, this is very similar to feeling. Right now, we're just in kinesthetics. So sense as you touch, and we're doing this in their imagination, right? As you sit and touch the sides of the chair that you're meditating in, it could be notice a sense of calmness, of relaxation. Notice a sense of power and confidence within you, right? Rather than saying you have power and confidence within you, no, sense the power and confidence within you, okay? Number 3, observe. By the way, I highly recommend typing these in the chat, take notes so that you can come back to this. You go, what were those 10 words I was talking about? You don't have to watch the whole video, okay? And also, if you like this video so far, hit the like button. That way you get more content like this. So observe. Observe is more of activating what they're seeing, right? Observe yourself from a distance. Observe the waves as they crash against the, what do they call that thing? The beach, the sand, right? So again, getting them into what they're seeing, which brings me into my next one, which is see, right? See what you're going to see when you XYZ, right? So the way I would use this realistically with a client is when I'm getting them to their vision, right? So one of the things that I teach in our hypnosis certification and we also do with clients is what's called a quantum leap hypnosis. So quantum leap hypnosis is getting people to really shift into the identity of the person that has whatever they already want to have. And the word may be giving it away. It's a quantum leap, meaning these aren't small steps to their goals. These are big leaps, right? We're really stretching to create that big vision, that big goal. So whenever, after I do the induction and I have them in the part where we're taking them through their quantum leap. Now, everybody's gonna be different. Maybe their quantum leap is to be in shape, it's to make millions of dollars, to find true love. So as I have them in the quantum leap, I'll say, imagine you have made $20 million this year and see how much of an impact you're having on your life and the lives of others around you. As you observe the impact that you're having, notice how you feel inside. Sense the power, the confidence, that sense of accomplishment within you. I think I hit them all, right? So that would be how you would kind of use these intertwined, okay? Number 5 is hear. So now we activated their vision, we activated their kinesthetic. Now we're activating what their auditory, right? What they're hearing externally. Now there's also auditory digital, which is essentially saying something like, have you ever said to yourself, or notice you're saying to yourself this? So it's not necessarily external sounds, it's internal sounds, right? So what they hear. So as you hear the sounds of laughter, and as you celebrate your success, feel, again, the sense of accomplishment. So we're weaving all these things in, okay? Number 6, so again, pause the video, screenshot, write these 5 in the comments so you can come back because I'll give you the next 5, all right? And again, if you like this video, hit that like button for me, okay? Number 6, touch, all right? Again, this is more kinesthetic. So if you really want to create an immersive experience for somebody, you can really put them almost like they're having like what do they call those? The 3D goggles or virtual reality goggles, right? The VR. It was like, imagine reach out and touch, you know, the wheel of the car, your dream car or whatever, right? Touch, feel your abs as they're coming in, okay? However you want to use it. A touch is another good one. 7, view. Again, what are we activating here? Let me know. What are we activating? What do you think this is? Is it what we see, what we hear, what we feel, what we taste, what we smell? It's what we see, right? So view, look at the view, the expansive view from your, new dream home, right? Notice the trees off into the distance. Hear the sounds of the birds chirping as the trees sway back and forth. Listen to the ruffling of the leaves in the tree, right? So however you go about doing it. Also next is sound. So back into what they hear. So what they feel, see, and hear. Listen to the sound of my voice, or listen to the sound of whatever's going on, okay? Which brings me into my next one, listen. By the way, the cool thing about the word listen is, in addition to getting them to focus on what they're hearing, it also captures people's attention. So if I say, listen to me, okay? All of a sudden, if you notice, your focus probably went hyper-focused on your phone, or if you're not watching this, you're listening in the background. Suddenly, as you listen to what I'm about to say, okay? Suddenly my voice starts to heighten and it really captures you. So this is this is doing double duty. It's getting people to activate their audio, what they're hearing, and also getting them to listen to what I'm saying, okay? Lastly, but not least, is immerse, okay? Immerse is, again, what we feel. Immerse yourself in the experience. Feel the confidence, the power, feel the sense of accomplishment. See yourself celebrating your wins. Hear the sounds of the crowd cheering you on as you immerse yourself in this experience. Isn't this so great? So again, pause this video, comment these so you can come back, and again, start using these intentionally. Now, I'll give you a bonus little training on this. Some people are naturally more visual. Some people are naturally more kinesthetic. Some people are more naturally more audio, and some people are more audio digital, meaning I have to see things, for me personally. So like in an influence situation, I want to see what I'm seeing. So if you can get me to start to picture, imagine, see, view, observe, you start using those words to me, I'm like, oh, I love the way this sounds, right? Now, somebody else might be more of a feely person, right? They're like, I just need to feel it. So here's a prime example. Let's take learning. Some people are like, I have to do it in order to learn it. I have to physically do it. Well, they're more kinesthetic. Some people like to listen to like a lecture, right? That's how they absorb. And some people like me need to see it. They got to see it, see the connection so they can make those connections. So if you notice how people process information, you can start speaking in their language, and you'll notice it hit them much deeper and allow them to remember and soak in the information you're taking, okay? Guys, if you like stuff like this, I have a free hypnosis training that I created just for you. So if you're ready to transform yourself, you want to transform the lives of others, like, Dom, I would love to be a hypnotherapist and work from anywhere in the world. I'm tired of my 9 to 5. I want to do something that gives me purpose. There's a link for a free hypnosis training down in the description. Click on it, get access to it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video.